Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you exercise 5D of chapter 5, Playing with Numbers. This exercise is based on divisibility rules. In this exercise, we have to find the value of x in each and every sum. Let's start with sum number 2. Sum number 2 is find the value of x if this number is divisible by 3. First of all, I want to explain the rule of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if sum of digits is divisible by 3. Okay, see the first step. Write the number 31x5 is divisible by 3. Then add all these digits, means 3 plus 1 plus x plus 5 is divisible by 3. Then 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3 is coming 9 plus x, then write is divisible by 3. Now in the next step, you will equate 9 plus x with the multiples of 3. After then, subtract 9 from each and every multiple of 3 which you have written here. Means x is equal to 0 minus 9, then comma 3 minus 9, then 6 minus 9, comma 9 minus 9, and so on. What are we getting? X is equal to, from here you're getting minus 9, here you're getting minus 6, then minus 3, 0, 6, and so on. Yes, students, keep one thing in your mind while writing the answer. Neither we are going to take any negative value nor a 2-digit value. Again, I'm going to explain, I'm not taking any negative value or a 2-digit value. Since x is a digit, therefore the value of x can be 0, 3, 6, 9. So your answer is x is equal to 0, 3, 6, 9. Next sum is sum number 9, which is a divisibility of 9. Again your question is, find the value of x if this number is divisible by 9. So your first step is, write this number 5x 5 is multiple of 9. Then the divisibility test of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digits is divisible by 9. It means you will add all these digits like that and write is multiple of 9. After adding these digits, you will get 20 plus x is multiple of 9. Then in front of 20 plus x, we will write the multiples of 9 like 0, 9, 18, 27, 36 and so on. Now it's time to subtract this 20 from each and every multiple of 9 like that. X is equal to 0 minus 20, then 9 minus 20, 18 minus 20 and so on. What are we getting? X is equal to, from here you are getting minus 20, then here you will get minus 11, minus 2, 7, 16 and so on. Finally, your answer is 7. How? We are not taking any negative value. We are not taking 2-digit value. Since x is a digit, so answer is 7. Now student, we will solve sum number 4. Sum number 4 is find the value of x if it is divisible by 6. In this question, we will use two divisibility tests. First is divisibility of 2 and second is divisibility of 3. For divisibility of 2, you can simply write the divisibility of 2 means the rule of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its unit place is 0 or an even number. So, your answer can be in place of x, the value of x can be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. But I have solved this question like that. You can see the steps. Now first divisibility by 2. Write the number 2 4x is divisible by 2. Before starting divisibility by 2, you will explain the rule that 2 4x is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Okay, now divisibility by 2. 2 4x is divisible by 2. Then add the digits. It will become 6 plus x is divisible by 2. Then in front of 6 plus x, you will write the multiples of 2. Then subtract 6 from each and every multiple 1 by 1. You are getting x is equal to minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Give this equation as number 1. Now it's time to use the divisibility by 3. You have been learned the steps of divisibility of 3. Add all the digits and write is divisible by 3. Again you will get 6 plus x. Then in front of 6 plus x, write the multiples of 3 1 by 1. Then subtract 6 from each and every multiple of 3. You will get 0 minus 6, 3 minus 6, 9 minus 6, 1 by 1. What are we getting? Then x is equal to, from here it is minus 6, from here it is minus 3, then 0, 3, 6, 9 and so on. Give this equation as number 2. Finally, how to write the answer, mean how to write the value of x. The value of the digit x common to the equation 1 and equation 2. They are 0 and 6. In equation 1, 0 and 6 is there. And in equation 2, again 0 and 6 is there. So these two values are common. So our answer is 0 and 6. Now see question number 6. Question number 6 says, find the value of x if this number is divisible by 4. Student, you know the divisibility rule of 4. In divisibility rule of 4, if the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. So in this question, I am taking the last two digits. They are x and 8. So I have written x8 is divisible by 4. Now, how to solve x8? This is 1's place and x is at 10's place. Multiply 1's place with 1 and then 10's place with 10. Add them, so you will get this. Again listen. Multiply 8, it is on 1's place with 1 and x which is on 10's place with 10. Add them, you will get this number, right, is divisible by 4. Now in front of this, you will equate this 10x plus 8 with the multiples of 4. But only those multiples of 4 whose ones digit is coming 8. Like 8, 28, 48, 68, 88 and 108 and so on. Now it's time to subtract 8 from each and every multiple which you have written. In the next step, you will see 10x is equal to 8 minus 8, 28 minus 8, 48 minus 8, 68 minus 8 and so on. You are getting 10x is equal to from here 0, from here 20, next from there 40, 60, 80 and so on. Now when you will subtract when you will divide these answers with 10, you will get 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Finally, since x is a digit, so the value of x can be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Don't take this 2-digit value as x is a digit. Okay, now I want to explain why I am taking these multiples of 4 whose ones digit is 8. Suppose you are taking any other multiple of 4 like 16. 10x plus 8 is equal to 16. Subtract 8 from 16. You will get 10x is equal to 8. Then divide this 10 with 8. Like x is equal to 8 upon 10. Then what? We are not getting the exact value of x. Mean 8 is not divisible by 10. I hope you understand. Thank you.